मेरे रब कहाँ पे नहीं है तू, तेरी शान जल्ला जलालो हो। My Lord, my sustainer, my creator. What is the place where you are not there? You are everywhere. And you are almighty, you are exalted. मेरे रब कहाँ पे नहीं है तू, तेरी शान जल्ला जलालो, तेरी ज़र्रे ज़र्रे में है नमू, तेरी शान जल्ला जलालो, तेरी शान जल्ला जलालो। जैसे चाहे तू वो अजीज है, जिसे तू ना चाहे ज़लील है। All respect and honors is from Almighty Allah. All respect and honors for Almighty Allah. The honors and respect is given by Almighty Allah. Allah loves those who are respected in this world. They get this respect from Almighty Allah, not from anybody else. Those who are disgraced, they are also from Almighty Allah, because Allah does not like them. So all the respect and honors and disgrace is Almighty Allah, nobody else. जैसे चाहे तू वो अजीज है, जिसे तू ना चाहे ज़लील है, तेरे हाथ जिल्लत तो आबरू, तेरी शान